Welcome back to JJ Speed Shop. This time we're going to be working on a 64.5 Mustang. It's like the first Mustang they ever came out with. It's actually a pretty neat old car. It's got a lot of history to it. It is a 289 two-barrel car originally, we think. But it was in a flood in St. Charles. This is my buddy Nathan's car. I had put a bar on it about a year ago just to see if it would turn over, and I think it's pretty locked up solid. So we're going to take about the spark plugs, maybe start with that. I don't really know. But we're going to see if we can get it to just turn over a little bit, see how bad it really is. What I think is actually going to happen is we're going to have to pull the engine out and completely rebuild it, or find a donor Fox body engine or something like that. But either way, he wants a T5 or an AOD. He wants something with overdrive, and we're going to make that happen. So stay tuned, check this cool car out. Let's do a quick little walk around. Well, it's first off, look how cute it is. It looks like the bodywork's pretty much all the way done already. Unfortunately, it's been sitting out in my lot for about a year or so. Might needs a little bit. There's a little bit of bubbling coming through right there on the door, but hopefully we can maybe save that or see how bad it is, kind of sand it down a little bit. But I mean, all in all, it's a pretty straight, pretty rust-free, clean little car. The interior got flooded. This package tray got flooded. I mean, you can see the water was all the way up to here. That is some water. The real problem though is the battery was hooked up, and it's not anymore, but the battery is hooked up. The water was all the way up to the top here. You can see there's still some silt stuff on top of the radiator. It had a Holley Sniper EFI. It's still on there, but you know, if the battery was hooked up, it's probably fried. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, you can see, yeah, I don't know how this is gonna go. Hopefully we can just get this one going, but I don't know. Ooh. But you see down here, it has those nodular little things on front of the cylinder heads. Where's the one on this side? I don't know, but you can see this one really well. So that is a Mexican 302, which was, I think, 69 to 74. It was in between a couple of the plants. They were moving things around, and apparently, according to the interwebs and the extremely smart people that are on there, there's extra nickel in the block, the webbing's thicker, the main caps are wider, all kinds of weird, funky stuff. They're supposed to be super strong, but still, then again, I mean, a 302, if you spend over 500 horsepower to it, it's going to split up from the mains, so how cool is it really? It has cool valve covers. It's a good start. And some little headers back there. Are they long tubes? Oh yeah, it does have long tubes. That's pretty cool. But I think also a plan is we're going to take out all this rudimentary old suspension. He wants a Mustang II independent, so we're going to do that. And let's start by taking these spark plugs out. And oh my god, there's so much dirt everywhere. Take these spark plugs out, run a camera down there, or see if we can see in these cylinder walls. See, I bet you it's full of water. I did put a bar on it, but you never know. Well, I pulled number one out, and you see how much water is on there and how much soot and rust and stuff. Well, let's throw this. Can you hold that camera for me?
I got you. Yep.
Let's throw this in here.
And then when you're looking at it,
see the water sitting in the cylinder?
I shook it and it wiggles.
There is no way this engine's any good.
Oh.
We cannot fix this. Well, we can. We just need a machine shop. And, well, the swap meet's tomorrow, so let's look for a 5-liter tomorrow.
Yeah.
Gonna yank her out.
Neat car, though.
Neat car.
Just got mud and water in it.
Poor baby.